Hey guys, welcome back to our vlog. This week you're gonna get to see a project we've been working on with Moxie Marketing. Molly and Megan, you guys are awesome. It's been great working with you guys. Even though we're not done with the project, they'll be able to see more stuff coming soon. But I wanna say thank you for being awesome to work with. And it's been a pretty fun project, and there's still more to come, but there's a cool look at a project we just finished up this week.
Oh, the Eagles are gonna win for sure. For sure. Fly, Eagles, fly. Boom.
Isn't he injured though?
The Cowboys.
If you had to ask me, I would say the Patriots.
The LA Lakers are gonna win.
Who's playing? I've never seen either of them play, so I cannot make a decision.
We played you guys this year.
I'll do Eagles because I don't really like Tom Brady. Yeah, I know nothing of sports, as you can tell.
I would say Eagles.
That's why I did the whole.
Like, I can fly.
Super Bowl prediction is I have to go for the underdog, and it's going to be the Eagles. I hope they pull it off, especially because Derek here is a big Eagles fan, and it would be probably not a good productive day for him on Monday if they lost. So he'd probably be sad for a couple weeks. So I'm doing it for Derek, I'm doing it for Kobe, and I'm doing it for Rocky Balboa.
Derek, who's playing at the Super Bowl? Like, where are they both in California? I think these people are gonna win the Super Bowl. They're Eagles, I think. This is the fourth and final episode of CCSD Pop Cribs. My name is Laura, and here are my pops. This guy right here was the first pop I got. He's the OG Batman. I think I got him in 2010. I think my all-time favorite is gonna be this guy right here, Miss Luna from Harry Potter, just because she has so much like awesome detail. I think she's the most well-made pop. Well, if you can see, I don't have that much room left on my shelves, and I don't think I can keep building up. So if anything, if I do get more, I think what I'm gonna do is just swap them out. But we'll see. It gets a little competitive around here, so we'll see.
So here we are, 2018, and these young bucks over here think that they're cool because they have all kinds of pops. Little do they know that I've been popping since the 1980s. You young bucks, you know nothing about popping. All right, now seriously, this is my first pop. Never really got into them, but I did get this as a present one time, and this one's really cool. It means a lot because it's my little Frenchie Blue. It's pretty neat. I got it for Christmas from the crew. Thank you guys very much. And you can see it has pretty good detail. This is my first pop. So my favorite pop has to be absolutely, hands down, my blue Frenchie. It's the only pop I have. Do I plan on getting more Frenchies? Who knows? I ain't gonna buy them. Crew, get me another one for next year. Hint, I'm a Rocky fan.
What's up, guys?
My name is Rubio. These are my pops. My favorite pop is probably my only pop I have, and the only one I'll get. They gave me this one last Christmas. It's Vin Diesel. I guess since I'm a car guy, and I added a mustache on Vin Diesel, since you guys can see. Will I get more in the future? Probably not. I'll buy car parts.
That's all, folks.
No, you guys have to do it too.